Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today we want to present about field study for pneumatic and hydraulic. Our topic is towing lorry with ram and hydraulic. Before we go further, I want to show you guys our group members. That is me, Akaml Safiy bin Asma, and my teammate is Isyraf Hariri bin Safiy. So we from class Kanto. So guys, what are hydraulics? The definition of hydraulic is transmitting force from one object to another through contact with an incompressible fluid. It's based on Pascal's law, a scientific principle that asserts all pressure exerted on a confined, incompressible fluid is distributed equally throughout the fluid. So for the easy word, I will show in application and multiplication. When two pistons are placed in cylinders and are connected by a closed tube filled with oil, pushing down one piston will cause the oil to build up and rise the other piston. The force multiplication that takes place when using hydraulic is what makes this method the obvious choice for lifting extremely heavy loads. If the second piston is 3 times as large in surface area as the first piston, the first piston force will multiply by 3 as it lifts the second piston. But there is a trade-off. The first piston must move 3 units to get the second piston to move 1. Hydraulic system in tow trucks and cranes utilize the scientific principle of hydraulic force multiplication, using minimal pressure to lift thousands of pounds of vehicle, commercial engines and other machinery. Tow truck use hydraulic system differently depending on the type of truck and the requirement of the job. When the truck must tow a vehicle but the car is out of reach, an extended metal arm called a boom is used to lift the vehicle closer to the truck's towing system. This is similar to how a construction crane lifts building materials at a job site. Flatbed tow trucks employ hydraulics to tie the band into a vehicle ram. The hydraulics or machine-powered winch attached to the car and pulls it up onto the flatbed. After the car is secured, the flatbed hydraulics range the lowers the vehicle and the bed back to its original position. Tow truck with wheel lift system are convenient. The driver controls the hydraulic power lifting system while inside the cab. The system extends and locks underneath a cast frame, so the vehicle is ready to be towed within a minute. So that's all from us.